Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your location on TikTok. Once you are on the home page, just click on the profile. Then after clicking on the profile, click on edit profile. Follow every step so you don't make any mistake, okay? Okay, now click on the arrow back button. Now click on the three bars at the top. We normally call them the hamburger sign. Just click on it. Now locate settings and privacy. The next thing you want to do is to tap on account. This place here, account, okay? Just be very keen and follow every step here. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like it and subscribe to the channel. Then the next thing you want to do is click on account information. Okay? Now, click on account region. Here you can see my region is currently Kenya, but I can change it. Okay? Now, select your preferred region. Maybe you want your TikTok to show that you are in the USA or something like that. Just type it, United States. Okay, here you can see that telling me that I cannot update my region because I must live in the United States for at least 60 days. There's a way for bypassing this. I'm going to show you. Now just click on the home screen button. Now go to your Play Store. Look for a reliable VPN. Now, I prefer this secure VPN. Just open it. Now, choose your region, United States, and connect. The next thing you want to do is to use TikTok for the 60 days that they have mentioned when your VPN is on. By doing so, you'll be able to change your region to the United States.